Hi, welcome to this one take bike tips. This one is a really good hack. I love this one, I use it all the while. So you've got a bike and you need to put some spray lubricant on, but you don't want to get it on your very delicate disc brakes, because the pads will absorb some of the oil and then they will be contaminated and they'll make horrible noises and not stop you properly. So what do you need to do? Right, what you need, let's put this on the counter so you can look at it properly. What you need, this one is our old open and hour sign. It's been laminated. You need to cut that shape out of it, so slit and then in the middle of the circle. And then what you do is you very carefully, I might have to put the camera down because this is a two-hand job, shall we say. Give us a sec. Okay. Then what you do, open this up, put it around the hub, shut it, and then you can spray to your heart's content, knowing that that is protecting your disc brakes. Now, some of these 110, 111 bikes have got loads of holes here, so the oil can easily go through, and then when you're done, you just pull it off and you're sorted. So I'll show you the shape again. Very simple. This is a piece of A4 paper laminated. Cut a slit, cut a small circle, and you're good. I hope you find that useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily or regular tips, not daily, but regular tips, and we'll see you in the next one.